Did you ever knew that I can ever talk many languages that many people cannot speak totally? I can remember I can also speak the language I am also speaking with. I speak the Kenyan Kiswahili. I also speak English. I also know some Arabic. I also know what was the other language? Oh, I know all the Dutch. I know the Canadians. I also understand the English, all those and many other languages. Do you wanna all great countries? In Kenya, we get Hapiako. Your in English is how are you? And mine is how. Isn't that you ever how are you? You never knew how my this language will be ever considered and done it. In Arabic is Karf Haruk. In Hindi is I think I say Hindi and Hindi is Namaste. Yeah. Urdu, Assalamu alaikum. And what was that? In Dutch, in Luciano, doch, in Canada, in German, you say kaka, then you say da doch. Kat, doch, is ja doch, ja. But you never ever realize that how faster and dictionary of language can error even somebody. I never ever thought that, but everything you wish you better try. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.